भाई का धमाका और साउथ की सुपरस्टार जोड़ी एक ही स्टेज पर। सलमान खान, रश्मिका मंदाना, काजल अग्रवाल, ए.आर. मुरुगदोस और सत्यराज आए साथ। अपनी फिल्म सिकंदर के ट्रेलर लॉन्च पर प्रशंसकों के लिए उत्साह अब चरम पर है। ब्लॉकबस्टर तैयार है।
Hi everybody. I've been making films 37 years और हर बार लगता है कि इस टाइम नर्वस नहीं होगा. Done. But seeing all of you all, I hope you all like the trailer and I want to just say a simple word for Salman. I know we made Kick together. उसमें एक डायलॉग था अभी I'd written कि ये दिल में आते हैं समझ में नहीं. While making this film ये दिल में भी आए, समझ में भी आए, रिब्स ब्रेकिंग के बाद शूटिंग पे भी आए और आज प्रेजेंट कंडीशन में ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे भी आए. थैंक यू.
कभी कभी ऐसा गड़बड़ हो जाता है कि 6-7 रात सोए नहीं, फिर वो सोशल मीडिया वाले पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, उनको दिखाना पड़ता है कि भाई अभी तक है. और फिर बोलता है कि 31 इयर्स का डिफरेंस है हीरोइन और मुझ में. अरे जब हीरोइन को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हीरोइन के फादर को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुमको क्यों प्रॉब्लम है भाई? अब जब इनकी शादी हो जाएगी, बच्ची हो जाएगी, हाँ बड़ी स्टार हो जाएगी, वो सब भी काम करेंगे ना. मम्मी का परमिशन तो मिल ही जाएगा, है ना.
Actually, I was struggling AD long back, so I wanted to watch a shoot. So I went to Prasad Studio in Chennai. I request the security guard to allow me and watch the shoot. So he allowed me with 2 conditions. So you have to be in the corner. Don't talk to anyone. So 20 minutes you have time. After 20 minutes you have to leave. So I entered. I don't know what was the shoot, so I was just waiting. Full dark, one smoke. Suddenly light comes. Sridevi ma'am was there. So I thought first time watching Sridevi ma'am shooting. Then suddenly I can see a hero backside. He's coming.
Backside. Like my backside.
So he's coming. So I tried to see who is the hero. He turned. Is none other than Salman sir. So I tried to go one step forward, but the security guard looking at me. So I was there. So that shoot started. So without knowing, I went forward. So the guard touched me. So your time's up. You have to leave. Yeah. So then I went out. So I thought one day I want to direct his film. So after so many years, I have directed with him.
इससे बड़ा केस क्या होगा नेपोटिज्म का?
So thank you, sir. Definitely, Sikandar make you whistle when you watch the film. Salman sir will make you whistle. He will make you cry when you watch the film. So definitely you will enjoy the film.
As long as Salman sir does not make Murugadoss and Sajid Nadyarwala cry after the release and break her amazing track record, I am fine with it.
I'm overwhelmed. I'm so excited to see all of you all here, and thank you for coming. Working with Salman sir, like you said, there was one scene that I did with him. I can't say much about the film, so I'm not going to get into that. But after every take, I said, Salman sir, sorry. Salman sir, sorry. I don't mean it. I'm sorry.
Were you hitting him?
Huh?
Were you?
No, all that I don't know what I was doing. But at least 5 times I must have joined my hand and said, Salman sir, I don't mean it. It's literally my second film, and I got the chance to work with Salman sir, Sajid sir, Murugadoss sir. It's very special, and when it's a Salman sir film, the guaranteed box office that's there.
I think it is just extremely exciting. It is extremely humbling to be a part of a phenomenal star cast, to be a part of such a huge film. And I don't think it's the number of films you do. I think that excitement will just always remain. And this I can say for everyone as well. I mean, all of us watched the trailer for the first time today, and we were all hooting and whistling and clapping. So
Were you critically looking and said, that's a good shot that they put in the trailer there? Were you
I have this very bad habit. I'm always critically looking.
The happiest thing today happened for me.
That is, I met Salim ji. And Saab introduced me, Papa, Katappa. I'm very happy because though when I was studying in college and school days, Salim Javed Saab's script made so many heroes. So this is a great opportunity. More than acting with Salman ji, it's a great opportunity to meet Salim ji. That's my... And after watching this trailer, this is amazing, amazing. Murugadas sir, thank you very much. Because sir, I am in the field for the past 47 years and nearly I did 250 So one sec, say it slowly. You're not 47 years old. You're in the field for
the field,
47 years.
47,
So can we have a big round of applause for that? I don't know too many people that can say that record and still.
He started when he was 3 years old.
And I started my career as a very sarcastic villain. After that, by opportunity, I became a hero. I did nearly 100 films as a hero. For example, Hukumat Dharmendra ji's. I did Dharmendra ji's character. And in Agnipath in Tamil, I did Amitabh ji's character. And of course, Three Idiots, Bommanerani Sa's character I did in Tamil. So all varieties. But that sarcastic villain, I lost myself. So Murugadas sir brings back the most sarcastic villain. That's a trendset at that time. That is 40, 42 years before. I really enjoyed this film working in that style of character. Again, I am seeing me only. And of course, working with Salman ji is very, very, very comfortable because without knowing the language, acting with such a great person is very... Oh, solriya mama. We worked together in Brahmotsavam in many films. Yeah. So, and of course, the great producer and the very big production house. I really stunned off watching this trailer. So thank you for giving me the opportunity, producer sir, Salman ji, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
All good? Y'all ate? Yeah. See, I got Salman sir to do it. All well? Thank you so much for coming here. Always very nerve-wracking, but at the same time, super special that I get to meet all of you personally. So for the question that you asked me, and that is not on us. That is the incredible directors and the actors that I got this opportunity to do films with. I feel like all the credit goes to them because if I had any sort of power over it, then of course my entire career would have been so different. So this is the amazing, like the visions of the directors, the story writing, the editors, the storytellers, everyone. It's a combination of a work, right? And today here we are with Sikandar, and you guys have just watched the trailer, and I'm really excited for you guys to watch the film, and I hope you like it. I got this opportunity to work with Salman sir, as in, what can get bigger than that? And Murugadas sir, I've always wanted to work with him because, like, I entered the industry like 8 years ago, but I've been watching sir's work since way before I got into the industry, but watching him do his films is so incredibly beautiful. It's got so much emotion. It's like mass. That's how sir says it. It's all mass. So I really wanted to work with sir, and I got this opportunity today, and I'm really, really honored. And Sajid sir, of course, like, I think for this film is the first time sir called me, and he was like, listen, we wanted to work with each other, and I have a great script for you. And that's when it all started, but it's been super special. Of course, I haven't gotten any opportunity to work with the ladies, like with the scene in front of whatever dialogues and all of that, but I hope I get to do so. They're so gorgeous, they're so beautiful, so I'll probably be like, very pretty the whole time.
And so are you.
I don't know, every time they say Friday decides our career. We are not what we were last year or what we were year before. Every Friday is new. That's why I decided this time I will not release on a Friday. I'll release it on a Sunday. Let Sunday decide my fate. Thank you.
Yeah, hero introduction, interval black, climax, all high points I like.
5-day shooting still left.
So I want to share a few words about my producer. He's not only producer, he's a creative guy. So he's a director himself, he's a writer, and he has
ये
very
एक
good.
दूसरे पे डाल रहे हैं.
He has very. What, sir?
I have done this film because my fans wanted me to work with Murugadoss and Sajid Nadiadwala and Rashmika Mandana, so I am doing this film. And now, श्रेय इनको जाता है पिक्चर की सक्सेस का. मैं आता था लेट, काम करके जाता था जल्दी.
Music sense also. So I thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the great opportunity. I want to thank your grandfather also for
Not now. You can thank him a few years later. But if you want to thank him right now, we can arrange that also.
Firstly, thanks Salman sir for all the love he's given me throughout the making of this film. I've really enjoyed working on this film. I would also like to thank Sajid sir for this wonderful opportunity. Murugadoss sir, thank you so much. And all the lovely ladies and Satyaraj sir. It's been a wonderful journey. Salman sir was nothing like what I'd heard before. And he was an absolute, like, I know everyone believes he's a gem and he is one, but I experienced it for the first time and I was really, really honored to share screen space with him. So yeah, thank you.
आपके नसीब में ये रात हो, रात नहीं रात. See, I think all of them are fantastic and they've worked really, really hard. Especially Miss Mandana here has given it her best. She was shooting for Pushpa 2 and we were there and she used to finish shooting at about 7 o'clock. She used to join us at 9 o'clock in the evening. She used to be working with us till 6:30 in the morning and then she used to go back to work for Pushpa 2. And she was not well as well. And then, after she breaking her leg, she still shot with us, didn't cancel a single day. She reminds me a lot of me.